How to create data flow diagram with AI. Hello guys, this is Adkis and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can create a data flow diagram using artificial intelligence or AI. So before we begin, if you're new, head down below and hit the subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. First step, open up your ChatGPT. So head over to chatgpt.com and open up a new chat here. And after you're here, what you'll need to do is give it a prompt. The prompt will look something like this. So you will need the AI to write code in plant UML for a detailed data flow diagram of whatever you need and also the level of it. So after you do that, simply feed the prompt to ChatGPT and it will start writing the code. So while it writes code, again, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, as you can see, it has completed writing the code. You can copy the code by pressing on copy code option here. Then go to the new tab and search for plant UML and head over to this website. You can directly go to plantuml.com as well. After you do that, what you'll need to do is feed the code in here. So there you can see a lot of different options that you can do with PlantUML. What we need to do is go to online server, just close that, and simply paste the code right here. After you do that, tap on submit,